everyone! Welcome back to our computer class. Today we are going to learn about types of computers. We will learn different types of computers, where they are used, and why they are important. So let's begin! What is a computer? First, let us revise. A computer is an electronic machine. It takes input. It processes data. It gives output. And it stores information. But not all computers are the same. Some are very small. Some are extremely powerful. Some fit in your pocket. Some fill an entire room. Now let us learn the types of computers. First is a supercomputer. Supercomputers are the most powerful computers in the world. They are very fast. They are very expensive. They can perform billions of calculations in 1 second. They are used for weather forecasting, space research, scientific experiments, earthquake prediction. These computers are kept in big research centers. Next is a mainframe computer. Mainframe computers are large and powerful. They are used in banks, railway systems, airlines, government offices. They can handle thousands of users at the same time. For example, when many people book train tickets together, a mainframe computer manages all the data. How amazing, right? Next is a minicomputer. Minicomputers are smaller than mainframe computers. They are used in small industries, colleges, laboratories. They can support multiple users, but not as many as mainframe computers. Now comes the most common type, microcomputer. This is a computer we use every day. Examples are desktop computer, laptop, tablet, smartphone. Microcomputers are small and affordable. Usually, one person uses them at a time. Most homes and schools use microcomputers. Before we finish, let's take a quick look at how these computers are different. Every type of computer is used for a special job. Hey friends! Let's see how much you know about the different types of computers. Which computer is the fastest and most powerful? Yes, it's Supercomputer. What type of computer do we usually use at home or school? You are right! It's a microcomputer. Which computer is very large and can serve many users at the same time? Good job! It's a mainframe computer. What is smaller than a mainframe but bigger than a microcomputer? Correct! It's a mini-computer. Friends, now you know all the different types of computers and how they work. Keep learning, have fun, And don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting videos. Bye bye!